Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler, and I'm going to be trying it on my type 4 natural hair. So if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and I've parted it into 4 sections. And I'm going to start with this section in the back. First, I'm going to apply the silicone-free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment with Marshmallow Root from Shea Moisture. And I'm going to spray some in my hands and apply it to my hair. I first saw this product on Kennedy Simone's page, and it seemed to protect her hair, so I decided to try. This product smells exactly how it's described, like candy and marshmallows. So I love a good smelling product. And so I took a wide tooth comb and combed through my hair as well. Once I finished with that, I took my Revlon dryer out of the package, and it looks like your average paddle brush, just with a wider handle. And I placed the dryer on the low setting because usually I blow dry my hair on the lowest setting possible. And so I started with the ends and then I worked my way up. And because I already detangled my hair beforehand, I didn't really catch on to any snags. And I did notice that I had to pass through my hair many times for it to get straight. And I just want to show y'all just how many times I had to pass through my hair on a low setting. Now, as you can see, that was a very tedious process just for that one tiny section. Finally, I got it to be straight, but it took multiple passes. So once I was done with that entire section, I just went ahead and twisted it so it could, be out of the way. And then I decided to try high heat for the next section because just to save time, because it was going to be so strenuous and take forever to finish my whole head. I have such thick hair. Even though I was taking a risk with that, it worked so much better this way. It was so much quicker. I feel like it got my hair straighter, and I would definitely never use this on a low setting ever again. And once I was done with that section, this is how it looks. The leave-in treatment from Shea Moisture completely did its job. Not only was my hair completely soft the entire way through, but I tried reverting my hair back and my curls just popped right back into place like I had never done anything. And here's an up close look at my hair. Don't judge the ends, I need to clip them. So here's my hair all blown out. The dryer did what the dryer was supposed to do. I feel like it was no better or worse than a dryer with a comb attachment. I mean, there was a lot of hype around this dryer. I really wanted to use it, but it was just like any other dryer I ever used. Honestly, I recommend the Shea Moisture leave-in because it truly protected my hair, and my hair smelled so good and felt so soft afterwards. So let me know what you think down below. I would love to hear your opinion. Have you ever used this blow dryer before? Do you plan to? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.